Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to see latest pharma job updates from Intas Pharmaceuticals. They are having vacancies and this is a walk-in drive for their Mathoda plant. The walk-in interviews are at the company premises itself at Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited Mathoda plant, Sarkes Bawla Highway, Mathoda Village, Sanand, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So the vacancies are in packing or QMS and visual inspection department and instrumentation engineering department. So the department is injectable manufacturing. They are looking for executive senior officer, officer, associate level positions for the qualification B.Pharm, M.Pharm, MSc, BSc, Diploma or ITI, 1 to 6 years, and the BE or B.Tech 3 to 10 years of experience. So this is a walk-in on 30th August, Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. So please utilize this opportunity and thank you for watching. For more interesting job updates, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert and सो आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में डालो, हम ज़रूर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। धन्यवाद।